I have so much work to do today.
I know, Sam, I really need to focus.
Please, sir, please let me in. I'm just a little girl.
Excuse me?
Oh, I'm so sorry. The man at my computer only lets me use it if I speak to him in a Victorian child accent.
What do you mean, man in your computer?
Yeah, he moved in right after I tried looking up Jacob Elordi Leaked on one of those sketchy websites, and he's been here ever since. Hi, Michael.
Hey, what's up?
Is there maybe any way you can make that lower? Can you be quiet? I'm trying to focus.